Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Valorant players know that keeping an eye on the store for the latest skins and bundles is key. But what if you want to check the store on the go? In today's video, I will show you how to check the Valorant store on your mobile device, so you never miss out on the items you want. So now let's begin. Start by downloading a Valorant Store Checker application from the App Store or Google Play. These apps are designed to sync with your Valorant account and show you the store's current offerings. After downloading the app, open it and log in using your Riot Games account credentials. This will link the app to your Valorant store. Once logged in, you will be able to see the current store items, including skins and bundles just like you would in the game. And that's how you check the Valorant store on mobile. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.